Welcome to my bedroom. So for the look of our entire place here, we wanted to make sure that it was going to be timeless and something that we can take with us to our next place. So my inspiration came more from Tulum and Bali, also more of a wabi sabi and Mediterranean style. So we tried to incorporate it with our entire home here. We wanted it to be a very relaxing space because we love spending a lot of time at home, and we just wanted it to feel as relaxing as it possibly could. Obviously, you can't go wrong with white because that will always be more timeless and classy. The bed frame is from Crate and Barrel. It is the Ever White slipcover bed, and I believe it is by Leanne Ford. It's a very beautiful piece. It did take us some time to put together. The headboard is super large, so it does actually come in half. I did run into a few things with Crate and Barrel when we were placing the order. I thought we would get it within a week, as it said online, but they actually kept pushing it back and back and back many times, so we actually finally got it after 2 months. And it does have Velcro for the slip cover that gets attached to the inside of the bed. I ended up putting in the mattress without the box spring because we do have a really big mattress already. We wasted so much money for this mattress a couple years ago, and so it's so heavy and we hate moving it around, but we have to live with it because it's so comfortable. He has his own side of his comfort and I have my own. So one thing I don't like about the bed is that we have to clean it up with a lint roller all the time. So right now I just cleaned everything up. We've only had the bed for a week and I put the new sheets on the bed after I washed them, and it's literally picking up any little bedding lint stuff. The bed is clean, it was vacuumed, rolled, but still does pick that stuff up. So I don't like that, and I'm still trying to get used to the whole wrinkly look of it because we've never had a bed that was I don't know, just relaxed like this. But honestly, it's so beautiful, so zen. So I did end up finding the clay colored, so the red colored bedding from Target. It's the Casaluna brand, and it's actually the cotton with rayon and linen. I actually really liked it because we wanted a different duvet cover, and that was really cute because of the pillowcases. That's kind of what made me actually buy it. And then I found the rest of the bedding on Amazon. So the orange terracotta color, I found that one on Amazon from the Simple and Opulence brand, I believe that's how you call it. And that one is 50% cotton and 50% linen, which we really actually like sleeping on it. The other pillowcases that I have on there were a pinkish color, and that I did find in a bamboo material. Very different. That way we have different choices because we do have different pillows on our bed. Obviously the ones that are decorative that we got from Target, we don't sleep on those. Those are just decorative. I guess I'll show you guys our master bathroom. We didn't end up adding any decoration to it, really. We actually didn't even put a shower curtain on our shower because we don't use the shower here. We use our other shower in our place. But this one, it's just very beautiful. It has a really pretty detail to it, and the tub is so deep. So if we ever want to use it for baths, we can, and it's just going to stay clean. So yeah, the toilets here in Florida are so much different. They're more of a European style, so I'm still getting used to it because we did not have those in Phoenix or in Washington, but I love them. I love this space. Our mirror here, it gives off so much bright light. I love that they put that feature in here, and I honestly love that there's one sink here and then just under sink storage because honestly, it stays super clean. We never really used our second sink at any of our places when we had the dual his and hers sinks. So yeah, we really love this. I just basically have some towels in here and then just a soap dispenser. So nothing really big, just very clean look to it because we really love our space to be just super clean. And yeah, And then when you turn around from our bathroom, we do have my closet on the left side, and it's more of like a European two-door thing. I love how all the walls here, all the doors and everything is just all white. It just makes it look so much better. So we were really thankful that we had a place like that. I wanted to include cactuses in here because we were obviously moving from Arizona to Florida, and that place really meant a lot to us. It's just like our home. So we wanted to really make sure we're like making our bedroom inspired from like that place. So I wanted to have like a little bit of a desert feel. The cactuses that we have in our home are prickly pear species and totem poles. I did do like a little shop with me when we were picking them up if you wanted to go look at that video. Only thing I would change in here is I would get a wooden mirror, but since we're like gonna have to move out in like a year, a little bit less than a year now, they always break anyways, so I'm gonna try and see if we don't break it, but I don't want to put a mirror in here and then have to move with it. But yeah, so this is from Amazon, the stool, and I am in love with it. It's so big, as you can see, like very sturdy, solid wood. And the flowers I got from Trader Joe's and just put them together. So moving on to our family like living space area, we ended up bringing our sectional with us. We had it for a few years now. It is from Z Gallery. It's kind of like a cloud dupe. I don't know if we're ever going to get anything else, but for now we're leaving this. But we might get something different, possibly white later on in our next place. We'll have to see, but I wanted to make sure that we really put in that Mediterranean feel to this room. So we really did incorporate all those. It turned out very, very nice with like the white background of the walls, but our cactuses, again from Arizona, we ended up putting those in the pots that I found at Home Depot as well. We got so lucky when we went in there. The pots were just all there at the same time. I did not think that we would find them all at the same time. I thought I'm going to be shopping from different stores because they do run more on the expensive side at other places. So we got really lucky. If you're looking for something, definitely check out Home Depot. But I ended up incorporating some wood stools in here instead of a coffee table, and I honestly love the feel of it. I love the look of it. I don't think I'll ever return to a coffee table style anymore. These were actually supposed to go into our kitchen as like our bar counter chairs, but they came in so short. I guess we didn't measure them when we purchased them, but they're so beautiful. We got a set of 2 of them, so they're perfect for this space here. And we just like to keep it very, very clean. Again, we don't wear shoes in our house. We don't have any pets, so our couch does stay very, very clean. I do keep up with it with like a lint roller and vacuuming. Same thing. That's how I take care of our bedroom, like with the bed frame as well. And it just makes it seem like super, super clean, and we love that. So yeah, I really love how it turned out, and we got to still fit in our furniture into our small space here. And we don't have a TV in this room for actually a specific reason. We actually got rid of ours once we moved to Arizona. We just stopped watching it. We didn't even bring it up to our space. So we ended up selling it because it was just something that wastes your time, and we wanted to just like make sure that we're seeing the view and yeah, just enjoying our time when we're in this space. Want to just connect, and yeah, if someone's using a computer or their phone or whatever, that's totally fine, but it just makes everything feel more better, and we love the space being without a TV. So it's the next morning. I actually forgot to film our kitchen. I didn't really think we had like much decoration film, but I guess I would put this in here too, just in case you guys are wondering what I'm up to with our kitchen space. But our laundry room is actually right here if you guys watched my home tour. So we're trying to still have like a laundry basket in our area that blends well with, I don't know, just the colors and space. And I really like white in here because it like opens up the space. So I found this white basket on Amazon, and I think it's so pretty. It's like a white cotton weave. Perfect for the space. It matches really good with the stool. We do use these stools like in the kitchen here, and we use them in our other space by the couches. I'm still in search for the right stools, so we'll see once we find them what I'm gonna end up putting down. But yeah, so I just have the flowers here. And then we ended up putting in a key bowl because obviously we always need one of those. I found that one from Amazon. And then I found a matching little stool for a cactus because I wanted to still bring in our cactuses into the space, but I didn't want to put a full plant here. I really like the decor style of just like the cactus leaves from like the prickly pear dried out, and then like we're gonna be putting more on there because obviously our cactuses are growing pretty fast and we're gonna have to break some off to like kind of shape them the way we want. Don't mind my KitchenAid mixer. I am actually gonna bake something right after, and I'm not gonna be lifting that up, and my guy's not here to like move it for the video, which it's fine because this is like our home and this is how it is, so I'm not gonna hide anything. But yeah, I just have all clean, so like this, and I have another stool here because I usually eat on this side. But yeah, we do have white towels for the kitchen. It's like more of a relaxed cotton look to it. So yeah, that's kind of what we have and how it looks like. It's kind of hard to like blend anything in down here because of like the countertops are like this gray color with white, and so it's like really hard to put like some kind of, I don't know, just really hard to blend things in. But the backsplash is gray, which I actually really like. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much, but it gives it so much good like texture. So this is our second bathroom right here. It's kind of like our guest bathroom, but we use it instead for like our shower. I hate glass doors and I hate like shower curtains, but unfortunately we don't really have like a choice. Like when you're apartment shopping, you know, like you find your space, but sometimes not everything you want is in there. So that's kind of what we got here. We got shower glass doors, and I hate them because mainly it's for cleaning. I don't like those water spots on anything. And so I actually figured out a way to keep them off. Our landlord at our last place, she put a water repellent like Rain-X on it. And honestly, I didn't have a problem with anything like that happening to like the doors. We didn't have any of the water spots, and we lived there for over a year. I just like had to clean everything else, but honestly that stuff is really like effective. But in here we just wanted to keep it very simple and clean because obviously it is like a guest bathroom in case someone does come over. But I don't have like a closet or anything here to store towels, so I had to get a basket, and I ended up choosing this one right here. It's like a cotton woven look to it, and honestly like it kind of stays right here, but we sometimes just move it around, so it's easy to use, and it fits like 8 towels, I believe. Yeah, we have 8 towels that we put in there, so it fits that, which is great. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. Our floors are this color around the entire place, so it's like a lighter wood color, and I honestly don't like them because they show a lot of mess, so we have to vacuum like every single second, but it's fine. This is the area here, so we still have like the same sink as in the other bathroom, but we don't have the mirror that we have down there. So this is the mirror. It's just very simple. Looks like an average like apartment. I just have towels here, and then obviously a soap dispenser. So I'll show you guys the stool that we picked in here. It's kind of more of like a wabi sabi inspired look to it. But I actually got it at Hobby Lobby. It was like really cheap, under $30. So we love it because it's all wood, it can get wet, and you know, if it does get ruined or anything, we can just toss it out and get a new one. But we have tile in here. I hate these little tiles. They like feel so uncomfortable on your feet, but these ones are bigger. And then up here I have a It's like a rubber squeegee. I picked rubber this time around because we had a stainless steel one, but it still got those like watery spots. And I don't like the look of that because it makes me seem like it's dirty. So I got this one, much easier to use, and plus it's more better for tile and glass doors. So it just works like as the duplicate for both of them. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys the shower door water repellent that we use. It's the Rain-X brand, and I just follow the directions that it says. And this stuff actually works much longer than like needing to reapply depending on how you treat your shower. We do wipe it down with like a squeegee and then a towel, so that way it's nice and clean and dry after each use. So honestly, with us doing that, it can make it be clean for like over a year, you know. But it's just exactly like kind of how you end up doing it. You might have to reapply it. I reapplied it today, even though like we lived here for like 2 months, just because I felt like I wanted to, since I like cleaned everything, but you don't have to.